Our journey begins in Southeast Asia's rambutan orchards, where these exotic tropical fruits grow in abundance, ready for harvest and processing.
Rambutan, meaning hairy fruit in Malay, is prized for its sweet translucent flesh and distinctive spiky appearance.
Clusters are cut intact to minimize bruising. Individual fruits are extremely delicate and damage quickly in tropical conditions.
Field sorting ensures only perfectly ripe fruit continues to processing. Underripe rambutans will never develop full sweetness.
Climate-controlled trucks maintain 10 to 12 degrees Celsius, slowing deterioration during the journey to the processing plant.
From orchard to factory in under 3 hours, this timing ensures the freshest possible fruit for processing. This state-of-the-art facility processes over 50 tons of rambutan daily during peak harvest season.
With quality approved, our rambutan enters the facility where modern technology and traditional knowledge create premium products. Processing begins with separation and cleaning, transforming field-fresh clusters into individual pristine fruits.
Rubber-fingered drums mimic hand separation, releasing individual fruits without bruising the delicate hairy skin.
Once separated, each fruit travels through multiple inspection and cleaning stages before processing begins.
Initial rinse removes field debris, dust, leaves, and agricultural residue collected during harvest.
Final rinse removes all chemical residue, leaving only perfectly clean fruit ready for processing.
Air drying removes surface moisture that could promote mold growth or affect subsequent processing steps.
Sophisticated optical sensors analyze each fruit, sorting by size, color, and quality in fractions of a second. High-resolution cameras capture 360-degree images, measuring diameter, color uniformity, and identifying surface defects.
Pneumatic gates sort fruit into 5 size grades, each destined for different products or market segments.
Color indicates ripeness and sweetness. Deeper red fruit has higher sugar content and better flavor.
Size matters in processing. Large fruit for fresh export, medium for canning, small for juice extraction.
Color indicates ripeness and sweetness. Deeper red fruit has higher sugar content and better flavor.
Weight correlates with flesh content. Heavier fruit yields more edible product per piece. Premium-grade fruit commands top prices in international markets, perfect appearance, and maximum size.
Premium fresh rambutans receive special handling, each fruit individually placed for maximum visual appeal.
Hand packing ensures perfect presentation. Fruit is arranged with spines facing upward for attractive display.
Processing grades may have minor cosmetic imperfections, but offer the same great flavor for value-added products. Fruit unsuitable for fresh sale or canning still provides excellent juice, zero waste in modern processing.
Transparent rambutan packaging showcases the exotic fruit's appearance, a key selling point for rambutan in international markets.
Final rambutan inspection ensures every package meets export standards. Rambutan appearance, weight, and seal integrity verified.
Immediate rambutan refrigeration preserves quality. Fresh rambutan can remain perfect for 7 to 10 days under proper cold chain.
Rambutan export packaging includes cooling elements and ventilation, ensuring rambutan arrives fresh at destinations worldwide.
Canned rambutan is a popular product worldwide, but first, the rambutan's hairy skin must be carefully removed.
Skilled rambutan workers peel 60 rambutans per minute. A gentle squeeze splits the rambutan skin without damaging delicate flesh.
The peeled rambutan reveals translucent flesh with a texture similar to lychee, sweet rambutan flavor, slightly floral, and refreshing.
Every rambutan batch undergoes inspection. Any rambutan with remaining seed fragments or damage is removed.
Precision rambutan weighing ensures every can contains exactly 227 grams of rambutan, consistency that customers expect.
Food-safe rambutan cans arrive pre-sterilized, but undergo additional cleaning to ensure absolute hygiene for rambutan products. Automated rambutan filling achieves consistency impossible by hand. Every can receives identical rambutan quantity. The rambutan syrup is carefully formulated, typically 18% sugar concentration, balancing sweetness and rambutan preservation.
Syrup is added to rambutan at 85 degrees Celsius. The heat begins the sterilization process while filling air spaces around rambutan.
The hot syrup surrounds each rambutan piece completely, eliminating air pockets that could harbor bacteria in canned rambutan.
Double seaming creates an airtight rambutan seal by folding lid and can rim together 5 times in overlapping layers. This mechanical rambutan seal withstands the pressure of sterilization and maintains rambutan product integrity for years.
Electronic sensors measure rambutan seam thickness and overlap. Rejected cans are immediately diverted for rambutan reprocessing.
Retort sterilization is the critical step that makes canned rambutan shelf-stable for up to 3 years.
Inside the rambutan retort, cans are heated to 121 degrees Celsius under pressure, destroying all bacteria and enzymes. The rambutan sterilization cycle lasts 25 minutes, scientifically calculated to eliminate all harmful microorganisms from canned rambutan.
After rambutan sterilization, rapid cooling is essential to stop the cooking process and maintain rambutan texture. Cooling water reduces rambutan can temperature from 121 to 40 degrees Celsius in just 5 minutes.
Dry rambutan cans are essential for label adhesion. Moisture would cause rambutan labels to peel or wrinkle.
Every rambutan can undergoes inspection. Dented or bulging rambutan cans indicate seal failure and are immediately rejected.
High-speed rambutan labelers apply 120 labels per minute with perfect alignment and bubble-free rambutan application.
Rambutan labels provide complete product information, ingredients, rambutan nutrition facts, origin, and 2-year best before date.
Rambutan batch coding enables complete traceability. Every rambutan can be tracked to the specific production hour.
Rambutan unsuitable for fresh sale or canning becomes premium rambutan juice, maximizing value from every rambutan harvest.
Even juice-grade rambutan undergoes rigorous cleaning. Final rambutan product quality depends on input cleanliness.
Automated rambutan seed separation processes hundreds of kilograms of rambutan per hour, impossible to achieve manually.
Rambutan pulping breaks down fruit cells, releasing rambutan juice and creating smooth base for rambutan beverage production.
The resulting rambutan puree contains all the fruit's flavor, nutrients, and natural rambutan sweetness, concentrated tropical goodness.
Flash rambutan pasteurization preserves fresh flavor while eliminating bacteria, the best of both safety and rambutan taste. Dried rambutan offers concentrated sweetness and extended shelf life, a popular rambutan snack throughout Asia. Brief rambutan sugar infusion replaces moisture loss during drying, ensuring the final rambutan product remains chewy, not hard. Over 12 hours, the rambutan transforms, shrinking to 1/3 original size while intensifying in rambutan color and sweetness.
Target rambutan moisture content is 18 to 20%, low enough for preservation, high enough to maintain pleasant chewy rambutan texture.
Vacuum packaging excludes oxygen that would cause rambutan browning. Sealed dried rambutan remains fresh for 6 months.
Rambutan sugar content is verified against specifications, ensuring consistent sweetness across all rambutan production batches.
Rambutan pH affects both flavor and preservation. Target is 3.8 to 4.2 for optimal rambutan taste and microbial stability. Rambutan texture testing prevents overcooking in canned products and ensures proper moisture in dried rambutan fruit.
Final rambutan packaging protects products during distribution and provides attractive rambutan retail presentation. Rambutan export cartons are designed for optimal container utilization, maximizing rambutan shipping efficiency.
Stable rambutan pallet configuration prevents shifting during transport. Rambutan products arrive in perfect condition.
Temperature-controlled warehousing preserves rambutan quality. Even shelf-stable rambutan products benefit from cool storage. From rambutan tree to table, modern rambutan processing technology preserves rambutan's exotic sweetness year-round.